Lovelies, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just showing you really quickly before we start that polygel set that I did where we mixed the polygel with gel polish, and they lasted because these nails are now almost a week and a half and I'm just tired of them, so I'm ready to change them out. So I'm going in with my XL carbide drill bit and I'm going to be removing this design. So today I actually wanted to try encapsulating something a little bit more than just glitter. So we're going to do some dried flowers with some gold nail art foil and glitter. Of course, you must have the glitter. And I'm also going to show you guys how I prep the nail to start my polygel infill and do a quick design change with gel polish. So I'm just going to continue removing this old set and I'll meet you guys right back. So the prep is similar to my prep for regular gel and acrylic. So I'm going to start off by going around my sidewalls and cuticle area with this diamond drill bit. So after that, I'm going to go in with my medium grit sanding band and I'm going to go around my cuticle area and sidewalls again. Now for me, I do like to edge the entire nail from cuticle to free edge of the old extension, because I personally find when I do this, it actually gives the base gel something to adhere to. So after doing that, I'm going to cleanse with my alcohol, apply my primer, and I did go in with my base gel off camera. And now I'm going to take a medium-sized bead of clear polygel and I'm going to use this to build up the structure of the nail. Now I am only using clear polygel because I am going to go over it with gel polish today, so I need to make sure that my cuticle area and sidewalls are nice and flush, my apex area is nice and strong, and then that nail sort of thins out as it comes down to the free edge of the extension. And I'm just going to repeat this step to all the nails except my ring finger. it's time for my encapsulated nail, and I'm just showing you what I am using for this design. And I just love these mermaid glitters. You guys realize that by now. So I'm going to start off with 2 different shades of pink flowers. And I'm just trying to figure out where I want them. Now for me, I like clear nails, but I don't like seeing my natural nail underneath. I just find that it makes the acrylic application or gel application, or in this case polygel application, look incomplete. So I'm just going to use the flowers to try to cover up as much of my free edge as possible. When I was happy with that placement, I started to apply my gold nail art foil. Now I did want the foil to stay more to the center of this nail. So continuing on that same tacky layer, I'm going to use that to hold my foil into place. After I do that, I did go ahead and flash cure this nail for 5 seconds, so that way it's gotten 15 seconds. And then I went over that with my base gel again. Now I'm just going to take my cleanup brush and some of that mermaid glitter, and I'm going to be pressing it. And I'm going to be pressing the glitter around the foil and around the flowers anywhere that is exposed. So after doing this, I am going to go ahead and give this a full cure of 30 seconds. Now this base gel is actually going to help the foils and the glitter to stay in place. And now I'm going over that with my clear polygel, and I'm going to be encapsulating this nail. So when I was finished encapsulating this nail, I did go ahead and cure it for a full 30 seconds, went in off camera, file shaped and buffed, and I also applied my MadamGlam's Perfect White to the rest of my nails, and I'll meet you guys right back with the rest of the video. So here's what my nails look like so far that they've been filed and polished. And I'm going in with the MadamGlam Soak Off Cat Eye Gel Polish in the color Garden of Roses. And I'm going to lay down a nice thin layer of this. Now I'm not going to use my magnet just yet. I am going to go ahead and cure this as is for 30 seconds. So now I'm going in with my second coat of the Cat Eye Gel Polish by MadamGlam, and I am going to use my magnet this time. Now for my magnet today, I am using my Born Pretty Store dual-ended cat eye magnet to create the cat eye effect in this gel polish. So I didn't want the basic cat eye horizontal, vertical, or even diagonal. So I'm trying to create a sort of an S shape with the magnet in the gel polish. And I'm just going to be playing around with both ends of this magnet stick. When I'm happy with it, I'm going to go ahead and just flash cure it to hold it in place for 10 seconds while I move on to the next nail. So for my nail art today, I decided to do some paint drips. So I'm taking the same cat eye gel polish. I'm going to be creating some drops of gel coming down from the cuticle area all the way to the free edge of this nail. So when I was finished with that, all I did was cured, apply my gel top coat and my cuticle oil, and of course I'll have a clip of the final product at the end of the video to share with you guys, as well as some pictures. So that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and leave me some pink flower emojis with your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and take a minute and share it with your friends or your family or just anybody that enjoys watching nail tutorials. While you're there, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that big red subscribe button, and next to it, click the bell to turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat when I upload next. As always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.